Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to earn Bitcoin without buying expensive mining equipment or dealing with all the setup, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start cloud mining Bitcoin, even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover what cloud mining is, how to pick a trusted service, how to calculate profits, and I'll show you step by step how to get started. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. So first, what exactly is cloud mining? Cloud mining is when you rent computing power from a company that owns and operates mining hardware. Instead of buying your own miners and paying for electricity, you just buy a contract and earn Bitcoin based on how much hash power you rent. It's like joining a mining farm remotely. The company does the heavy lifting, and you get a share of the rewards. Now, cloud mining can be super convenient, but it's really important to choose a reputable provider because there are a lot of scams out there. So let's talk about how to find a trusted one. Choosing a reliable cloud mining platform. When you're looking for a cloud mining site, keep these 4 things in mind. 1. Reputation. Look for platforms that have been around for a while and have real user reviews. Avoid any site that promises guaranteed profits. That's a red flag. 2. Transparency. Legit services usually show you where their mining farms are located, what hardware they use, and sometimes even live hash rate data. 3. Pricing and contracts. Compare contract durations, maintenance fees, and payout methods. Some charge daily fees, others include everything in the contract price. 4. Payout proof. Before signing up, check forums like Reddit or Trustpilot for real payout screenshots or reviews. A few well-known platforms as of now include insert current reputable platforms after verifying, e.g. NiceHash, Ecois, or BitDeer. Always double-check before investing. Add a note to viewers to research current platforms since the market changes fast. How to start cloud mining, step by step. All right, let's go step by step through how to start cloud mining Bitcoin. Step 1. Create an account. Go to your chosen cloud mining site and sign up. You'll just need an email address and password to start. Step 2. Verify your account. Some platforms require KYC, Know Your Customer verification, for security. Upload your ID if needed. Step 3. Choose a mining contract. You'll see options like 30-day, 180-day, or 1-year contracts. The longer contracts usually have better rates but higher upfront cost. Step 4. Select hash power. This is how much mining power you're renting, measured in TH/second, terahashes per second. The more you buy, the more potential Bitcoin you can earn. Step 5. Pay for your contract. Most platforms accept Bitcoin, USDT, or credit card payments. Step 6. Start mining. Once your payment is confirmed, your mining starts automatically. You'll see your hash rate and daily earnings in your dashboard. Estimating profits. Before you invest, it's smart to estimate how much you could earn. You can use free calculators like CryptoCompare or What to Mine. Just enter your hash rate, contract length, and maintenance fees. Remember, Your earnings depend on Bitcoin's price, mining difficulty, and fees. Cloud mining isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's more of a passive way to accumulate Bitcoin over time. Tips and warnings. Here are a few quick tips before you jump in. Start small. Try a short contract before committing a large amount. Use trusted wallets. Withdraw your Bitcoin to your own secure wallet. Don't leave it on the platform. Avoid unrealistic returns. If a company promises daily profits or guaranteed ROI, it's probably a scam. Reinvest wisely. Some platforms let you reinvest earnings, but only do this after testing the service first. And that's it. That's how to start cloud mining Bitcoin as a beginner. To recap, pick a trusted platform. Buy hash power. Let your mining run. And withdraw your Bitcoin safely. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments. What cloud mining platform are you trying? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.